Hello, my dear student. Myself, Dr. Subhash Sahu, Associate Professor, Department of Dravigam. In the continuation of the Vedanasthapan group, today we are going to discuss about the plant Devdaru. We have already discussed about the plant Gugul, Nirgundi, Erand, and other plants of Vedanasthapan. Today we have discussed about another plant, that is Devdaru. Botanically, this is known as Cedrus deodara. It belongs to Pinaceae family. In Hindi, it is known as Deodar, and in English, it is Himalayan cedar or true cedar. As for different states, it is known as Shajar Duljen, Devdaru, Devdar, Dedar, Dar, Deodar, etc. Then synonyms. It is known as Daru. Daru means it is a general term which is used for wood or a tray. Then Daru Bhadra. Daru Bhadra means its wood is considered as best among all the woods. So it is known as Daru Bhadra. Darvendra. It is also considered as the king of the trees, like Lord Indra is considered as the king of gods. Dro, Drokil, Droklim. Gums exudate from its stem, so it is known as Droklim. Then Indra Daru. This tree is favorite tree of Lord Indra, so it is known as Indra Daru. Then Klim. Its wood is light in weight, so it is known as Klim. Then Mastadaru. The wood is highly efficacious, so it is known as Mastadaru. Then Sakrapadapa. The tree is considered as the tree of Lord Indra, so it is known as Sakrapadapa. Then Surava. It is believed that God reside in this tree and it is the wood of God, so it is known as Suroha. And Surburu, the wood is aromatic in nature, so it is known as Surburu. These are the important synonyms which are available in different texts of Ayurveda. Then classical categorizations. In Charaka Samhita, it comes under Stanya Sodhana, Anuvasanopaga, and Katuskanda. While in Sushruta Samhita, it is mentioned in Eladi Varga, Vachadi Varga, and Vata Sankshavana Varga. In Ashtavrida, it is mentioned in Eladi, Rudradi, Bidaryadi, and Vatagnagar. The Navantari Nigantu mentioned in Guduchadi Varga, Madanpal Nigantu in Abhayadi Varga, Kaidev Nigantu in Aushadi Varga, Raj Nigantu in Chandanadi Varga, and Bhaprakash Nigantu in Karpuradi Varga. The distribution of the plant. Devdaru is a native plant of Western Himalaya, then Eastern Afghanistan, Northern Pakistan, Northeast India, Tibet and Nepal. It is a high altitude plant. It is found in the high altitude only. In India, it is distributed from Kumaon to Sikkim up to an altitude of 1000 to 3600 meters, especially in Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Jammu and Kashmir. You have seen, if you visited the high altitude like Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, you have seen this plant. This is a very beautiful plant as shown in the photographs. It is a very big, beautiful, evergreen, long-living coniferous tree of 160 to 180 feet height or more tree. Its branches spread with black, rough and porous bark. The shoots are dimorphic and this tree can live up to 60 years, 600 years. The leaves are triquetrous, acicular or needle-shaped, silver or silvery green. It is sharp, 3 to 5 centimeter long, closely arranged with pointed tips, spirally arranged on the larger branches, and it appears in bunches on younger branches. It is a monoecious plant in which male and female cones appear on the separate branches of the same tree or sometimes in separate trees also. Cones are solitary and present at the end of the branchlet. Then fruits. Fruits are the cones. The male cones are numerous, erect, solitary, pale green to yellowish green with purplish sting, oblong, ovate, cylindrical. At the it is found at the end of the leaf, bearing branchlets, whereas female cones are barrel-shaped, glaucous green, borne singly at the tip of the dwarf shoots. Each cone is composed of imbricating, thin, woody, placental scales arranged spirally on a woody central axis. This is the image of male cone and female cone. Then seeds. Each scale has a pair of pale brown winged seeds. Unripe cones are green, shiny, aromatic, whereas dried cones are brownish black, hard and woody. About 13 months are required from flowering to fruiting. Then hardwood. It is light, fragrant, strong, oily, yellowish brown color, and it's turning to brown black on exposure. The oil of this plant is known as cannon oil, and this plant is propagated through seeds. And its phenology is its flowering time is September to October, while the fruiting time is April to September. And types. Raj Nigantu describes two types of Devdaru. One is Snigdha Daru and second one is Kashta Daru. Now Ras Panchak, it is Laghu and Snigdha Guna, Tikta Rasa, Katu Vipak and Ushna Virya. Then chemical constituent. The essential of this plant is contains sesquiterpene 1, 2 and 3, alpha hemacellin and beta hemacellin, then hydrohemacolin, deuterin, isohemacellin, alpha hemacolin, beta hemacolin, alpha pinene, beta pinene, etc. It also contains alpha terpineol, linalool, limonene, caryophyllene, and eugenol. It's a dry hardwood content, material, then benzylbutylactol, pseudoerin, cedrin, etc. The leaves contain deocanoic acid, ethyl leutrate, ethyl stearate, oleanic acid, beta-sitosterol, and ferulic acid. Then action. It has so many action like it is Sugandhi aromatic, Kremigna, Pushtagna, Brana Shodhak, Brana Ropak, Stanya Shodhak, Vatahar, Bhutagna, Sotahar, Vedana Sthapan, Deepan, Vidya Uttejak, Rakta Prasadan, Kapha Nisarak, Slashma Putihara, then Hikka Nigrahan, Garbhasaya Shodhan, then Jwarakna. There are multiple action of Devdaru. The action of Devdaru on Dosha Dhatu and Mala. It has Vata Kapha Harp action. As per Dhatu Karma, it has Shodha, Stanya Shodhan, Rakta Prasadana, Vrana Ropa action. It is also Mutral and Svedal. Then pharmacological action. Many studies reveal that it has anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, expectorant, diuretic, antispasmodic, analgesic, antipyretic, anti-hyperglycemic, anti-cancerous, anti-tubercular, immunomodulator, anxiolytic, anticonvulsant, and insecticidal, antifungal, antibacterial, wound healing, anti-ulcer, and anti-malarial properties. Then indication, it is also used in so many diseases like Hikka, Venus, Kasa, Swasa, Bibandha, Parsa, Adhman, Shotha, Amadosha, Tandra, Jwara, Prameha, Kandu, Krimi, Kushta, Raktadosha, Sutika Roga, and Dushtavrana. Then therapeutic uses. This plant is used both externally and internally. For externally, it is mainly used in Slipada or filariasis. The paste of Deodar and Chitraka is used externally in Slipada. Then in Vrana, external application of Devdaru oil or paste of Devdaru and Shunti enhance the healing power of wound and ulcers. Fumigation with Saral, Sargeras, Divestak and Devdaru also helpful. And it is used in Karnasul or earache. 1 or 2 drops of lukewarm Deepika Tel, which is prepared with Kushta, Devdaru and Saral, should be poured into the ear to get relief in earache. Then internal use. It is used in kasa. Oil extracted from Devdaru wood added with Trikatu and Yavakshara should be given with honey in chronic cough. Then it is used in fever or jvara. Devdaru decoction is recommended in fever associated with thirst. Then Shoth or edema. In different type of edema, Devdaru Katha mixed with Shunti or milk boiled with Devdaru, Punarnava and Shunti should be given daily basis to reduce the edema. Then Vata Rakta Nama Vata. Devdaru Kwat, Devdaru Kwat is used twice daily to get relief from arthritis, gout, gonorrhea, syphilis, etc. Then Vata Vyadhi. Devdaru and Shunti powder is given to reduce the pain in Vatik Hridroga. Devdaru Kwat should be used in the treatment of Vata Vyadhi also. And Krimi. Oil of Devdaru and Saral or Saral is used to expel worms in Krumi Roga. Then Kushta skin diseases. Oral intake of Devdaru oil and Grita followed by the diet of Sali rice and Dugdha cures different type of skin diseases. Then official parts use dose and formulation. Mainly heartwood, oils and leaves of Devdaru is used medicinally. Its normal dose is 3 to 6 gram powder, 10 to 40 drops oil, and 50 to 100 ml decoction. Then formulations, different formulations are available. Devdarwadi Kwatha, Devdarwadi Churna, Devdarwa Rista, Alu Tela, Chandraprabha Bhati, Khadira Rista, Dasamula Rista, Murta Sanjivani Sura, Mahavishagarva Taila, Badrante Loha. Then toxicity. Safety profile study of Devdaru showed it is non-toxic, non-irritant, and it has no alteration in blood urea, nitrogen, or blood glucose level. The study is done in rabbit and sheep. And substitution and adulteration. In some parts of Uttarakhand, Pinus species such as Pinus excelsa or Pinus longifolia are used as the substitute of Devdaru. This is the slope of Devdaru from Prakash Nigantu. Devadaru, Shmutam Daru Bhadram, Darvi Indradaru Cha, Mastadaru, Druklima, Kilima Surabhuruha, Devdaru Laghu Snigdham, Tiktusnam Katupaki Cha, Vibandha Advanam, Sotha Ama Tandra, Hikka Jwarasrajit, Prameha Pinasa Slasma Kasa Kandu Samiranat. This is the drugs of Vedanastapa. We have already discussed different plants as I have told in the first slide. Gokul, Aranda, Nirgundi, then Rasna, and today Devdaru. This is the Vedlas type of drugs. We have used these groups of drugs in different Vata Vyadhi or different joints disorder to reduce the pain. Next class, from the next class, we discuss about another group. Thank you.